A few days ago, I had inculcated you how to write a formal letter. Today, I will teach you how to write an informal letter. Informal letter combined with personal emotions and feelings. Here, look at first the question. The question is, you are Saket or Sarita of 50 first floor Surya apartment, Kankadbagh, Patna. Write a letter to your friend on his recovery after a long illness. Letter to friend. It means informal letter. Informal letter means combined with personal emotions and feelings. First, these days we write not in traditional way but in fully blocked format. First, your address. This time you are Saket or Sarita. Okay? This is your address. First we write sender's address. 50 first floor. No use of punctuation mark. No. At first we wrote here at the right side. Now in updated method we write on the left side and no use of any punctuation mark. But give some space. 50 first floor. No punctuation mark. Now Surya apartment. Kankadbagh, Patna. No use of any punctuation mark. First sender's address, your address, then what date. Skip one line, leave one line. Today is 13th May. Skip one line, leave one line. 13 May 2020. You will not write like this, that 13 May 2020. No need to write date, this and that. This is wrong method. You can also write May 13, 2020 or 13th May 2020. Both are right, but this is not right. Okay. 13 May 2020. In formal address, we write here the receiver's address. But in informal letter, we don't write the receiver's address. Only sender's address, then date, no receiver's address. Where? In informal letter. When the receiver's address? In formal letter. Okay? This is informal letter. You have the friend, you are writing the letter to a friend, personal attachment, personal feeling. So you will use the word my dear and name of your friend. Skip one line. My dear, take any friend's name, Anuj or Rohan. Yes, Rohan. In just straight line. Previously, we used to write here first punctuation mark comma, then from here we started. No, that is the outdated method. This is the updated method. Now we shall write from here. Just state. It was a pleasant surprise to hear from you after a long time. Now come to the subject matter, that your friend was down with fever, suffering from long illness, and he has just recovered, and you want to congratulate him, and you want to give him some pieces of advice how to take care of his health, personal feeling and emotions. When I came to know that you were down with cough, cold, and fever, I was but thank God that you are on your feet again. I tender my heartiest congratulations on your quick recovery. This is the subject matter, that your friend was down with fever and he had recovered from his illness, and you want to congratulate him on his fast recovery. Okay, now give some pieces of advice. Now we shall change the para, but not from here in traditional method, but just from here. Okay, if the line is completed, in that case we leave one line. I had told you when you were learning to write how to write formal letter. I have told you. I have inculcated you. Now I am writing the second para. Para is chained just below the above line. Not from here, para chain. Just below the first line or above line. Now please, now you want to give some pieces of advice to your friend how to take care of your health. Now please take special care of your health as the just straight line as the whole world is suffering from the pandemic disease. You need a lot of rest and precaution as per your doctor's advice. I shall come to meet you at my earliest. I have already written 2 paras. So you may write 2 paras or 3 paras. Now para is changed. I shall not start from here, just below the above line. If the line is completed, in that case, one line will be left, only to show that the para is changed. Please convey my best respects to your parents and love to youngers. I have written 3 paras. Now the complementary clause. Now we have to close this informal letter. What is complementary clause here? With warmth of love. No punctuation mark. Punctuation mark will be used in the body of the letter, not in the format. And in the formal letter, we had written thank you. But here, in informal letter, writing to friend or relatives with warmth of love. yours sincerely. No punctuation mark. Or you can write to your friend yours truly. But to your father, mother, uncle, elder brother, yours affectionately. And to principal, yours obediently. But to friend, you can write yours sincerely. And after this adverb, you, you can't write any word. Okay. Now name is given what? The name was perhaps Sakit or Sarita, yes. So if a boy, he will write Sakit. If there is any girl, she will write Sarita. Now this is how you can write a informal letter. Now homework. Write a letter to a brother who is negligent in his study, giving some advice for proper study. Okay, that's all. Thank you.